Hello friends, so is your car showing check engine code P0457? If you're noticing a check engine light and, a strong fuel smell around your car, this could mean there's a leak in the EVAP system. In this video, I'll explain what P0457 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0457 code stands for Evaporative Emission System Leak Detected, Fuel Cap Loose or Off. So, your vehicle's EVAP system is designed to capture and store fuel vapors, preventing them from escaping into the atmosphere. A P0457 code means a major leak has been detected, often caused by a loose or missing gas cap or a damaged EVAP hose. This is actually pretty similar to P0456, but P0457 indicates a larger and more noticeable leak. You might notice the check engine light comes on, a strong fuel smell around the car, reduced fuel efficiency, and in rare cases even a possible rough idle. Alright, so here's the deal. This code, it won't cause immediate engine damage, but, it should be fixed quickly. Why? Well, to prevent fuel vapor loss and emissions issues. It's pretty important, folks. Now, if you're looking to diagnose P0457, you'll need to locate these EVAP system components. It's all about knowing where to look, right? Let's talk about the EVAP purge valve, also known as the purge solenoid. It's located near the intake manifold and is responsible for controlling vapor flow to the engine. Pretty crucial piece of the puzzle, if you ask me. The EVAP vent valve, also known as the vent solenoid, is positioned near the fuel tank. It allows proper air circulation, which is pretty important for the whole EVAP system to work right. The fuel tank pressure sensor, or FTPS, is usually found on top of the fuel tank or sometimes inside the fuel pump assembly. Its job is to monitor pressure changes, making sure everything stays in balance. The charcoal canister is typically mounted under the rear of the vehicle. It stores fuel vapors, keeping them from escaping into the atmosphere, which, helps reduce emissions. So, EVAP hoses and lines run between the fuel tank, the canister, and the engine bay. If any of these hoses have cracks or get disconnected, that can easily trigger a P0457 code. Here's a tip. Honestly, the best way to find large leaks in the EVAP system is by doing a smoke test. The number one cause of a P0457 code, it's actually a loose or missing gas cap. If your fuel cap isn't tightened properly, or it's missing altogether, that's usually the culprit. So first up, a loose or missing gas cap. A fuel cap that isn't tightened properly or is missing completely is actually the number one cause of code P0457. Next, we've got a damaged gas cap seal. If the rubber seal on the cap is cracked or worn out, it just won't hold pressure like it should. And finally, broken EVAP hoses. A large crack or a disconnected hose can definitely cause a major vapor leak. Fourth, a faulty EVAP purge or vent valve. If these fail to close properly, fuel vapors can escape, which, can really mess with your emission system. Fifth, a damaged charcoal canister. Cracks in the canister may lead to excessive vapor loss, and that's something you definitely want to watch out for. So how do you fix P0457? Let's go over the steps you'll need to take. Alright, so step 1 is to use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0457 code. This is a pretty straightforward process, but it's super important to make sure you're actually dealing with the right issue. Step 2, you'll want to check the gas cap and make sure it's tight. If it looks worn or is missing altogether, you should go ahead and replace it. Sometimes something this simple can really make all the difference. Now, moving on to step 3, inspect all the EVAP hoses for any cracks, loose connections, or even disconnections. It might take a few minutes, but catching a problem here can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Alright folks, step 4 is to perform a smoke test. This is, a crucial step because it helps detect any large leaks in the EVAP system. Moving on to step 5, we need to check and replace any faulty purge or vent valves if needed. It's essential to ensure everything's working smoothly. Alright, so step 6 is to clear the code and take your car for a test drive to see if that check engine light comes back on. The P0457 code usually means you've got a loose gas cap or maybe a major EVAP leak. Always, check your fuel cap first, and then inspect all the hoses and valves for any leaks. For more car troubleshooting guides, definitely check out these videos next. P0196, engine oil temperature sensor range or performance, and P0197, engine oil temperature sensor low input. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.